I've always hated how repetitive and time-consuming video editing was, but my life changed when I started exploring AI video editing apps this year. There's an AI that, in one click, will automatically add zooms on the speaker's face, like you've been seeing so far, to emphasize important moments in the video. There's AI that will automatically add real-time captions to your video, like you're seeing now, in any style, which used to take hours to do manually. And there's even AI that will fix when the people speaking weren't looking into the camera, making it look like they had eye contact all along. But there seem to be hundreds of new AI video editing apps releasing every month. So if you're just starting to look into them, it could be overwhelming to know which ones to actually use. So coming up is a list of the only 6 best AI video editing apps that you need to be using in 2025 to save yourself a ton of time when editing video. So let's start with maybe the craziest app of all 6. This app does all editing itself for you. It does it automatically, so you don't need to edit anything yourself. It will take your video and add animations, backgrounds, and captions, everything to it itself, and give you a video like you're seeing on screen right now. The app is called Captions AI, and you can use the app on both your mobile phone or your computer. And I wanted to start with this app just to show you how crazy AI video editing technology has come in, even just the last few months. The automatic video editing that Captions does is a lifesaver for all of those people who have maybe been a bit intimidated by the steep learning curve that it takes to become good at editing. This app can just do it all for you without you having to learn a single thing. It's a great tool for beginners. You can check out that full automatic video editing by following the link in the description. The next app is a lifesaver for editors needing to fix mistakes that the people speaking made in a video. It automatically removes any moments of hesitation when the speaker was thinking about what to say next. So anytime they muttered or ah or the AI gets rid of that. So these nuggets are made from chicken, but they're made to emulate the taste of like non-chicken nuggets. So these nuggets are made from chicken, but they're made to emulate the taste of non-chicken nuggets. It will make a perfect digital replica of anyone's voice that was speaking in the video, so that if they said the wrong thing when they were recording, you can simply type in what they meant to say, and the AI will fix the mistake. Non-chicken nuggets, but they're made to emulate the taste of vegan nuggets. Sounds tasty. And also, if the people speaking in your video wanted to be looking into the camera to build a connection with the viewer, but kept making the mistake of looking away from the camera, the AI will fix that too. You can just put your script off to the side and read it. And if you don't believe me, I've been using this effect the entire time. I know, crazy. The tool is called Descript, and by fixing these mistakes, it stops you as an editor from having to go back to the people that filmed the video and asking them to re-record parts where they made mistakes. You can just do it all yourself now during the editing process. This makes you easier to work with and more likely to get more editing work in the future. The link to Descript is in the description below. The next tool will take any video that you're editing, and if it was recorded on a phone, some cheap equipment, or just in a bad environment, it will make it sound like it was actually recorded in a professional studio. Here's the free app that does those audio improvements for you. It's called Adobe Podcast. We're on its website right now. I'll put a link to the website in the description of this video. And to do those enhancements on speech that you just heard, you just need to scroll down and use this enhanced speech feature here. So we're going to click this now, and I'll show you how to use it. So it's as easy as uploading the audio that you want improved to this web page right here, and the AI will do everything else for you. So let's do that now. I'm just going to click this button to upload the audio that I want fixed. And after less than 30 seconds over on the right now, we can see that the AI has fixed our audio. I'll press play on this track so you can hear how that sounds, and by toggling this switch on and off, you'll be able to hear the original audio file and then the audio file with the improvements made. So let's play that now. This is a voice recording made on my phone. It sounds okay, but could be better. Also, there's this annoying vacuum cleaner sound in the background. So as you heard there, the AI does an amazing job at improving any vocals in your recording and also removing any annoying background noises that were in the original recording. The next tool will take any video that you're editing, and if it was recorded on a phone, some cheap equipment, or just in a bad environment, it will make it sound like it was actually recorded in a professional studio. Here's the free app that does those audio improvements for you. It's called Deut Podcast. We're on its website right now. I'll put a link to the website in the description of this video. And to do those enhancements on speech that you just heard, you just need to scroll down and use this enhanced speech feature here. So we're going to click this now, and I'll show you how to use it. So it's as easy as uploading the audio that you want improved to this web page right here. And the AI will do everything else for you. So let's do that now. I'm just going to click this button to upload the audio that I want fixed. And after less than 30 seconds, over on the right now, we can see that the AI has fixed our audio. I'll press play on this track so you can hear how that sounds. And by toggling this switch on and off, you'll be able to hear the original audio file and then the audio file with the improvements made. So let's play that now. This is a voice recording made on my phone. It sounds okay, but could be better. Also, there's this annoying vacuum cleaner sound in the background. So as you heard there, the AI does an amazing job at improving any vocals in your recording and also removing any annoying background noises that were in the original recording. Okay, next, if you're like me and you hate having to go through your edit removing every single little mistake from the original recording, then this next editing app is for you. It's called Gling, and it basically automates the entire mistake removal part of editing. So anytime there were silences in the recording where nothing was happening, or anytime the speaker made a mistake and had to re-record what they were saying over and over again until they got it right, Gling will just remove those moments automatically in one click. Here's how it works. Gling is a desktop app that cuts your videos and voiceovers for you. I'm going to upload a video you've just watched to Gling. The app transcribes the video and automatically cuts out all my failed attempts and silences between takes. I absolutely love this AI. It used to take me around 1 to 2 hours at the very start of every new edit, having to manually take out all of these mistakes, and now the process genuinely takes me less than 5 minutes. It's a huge time saver. And there's a few AIs out there that do this repetition removal, but Gling seriously has the best AI for understanding which take to keep and which ones are the mistakes that I've seen of all the competition. So it's gotta be Gling for me. You'll find the link below in the description. Okay, next, one of my favorites has to be Firecut. It just makes your video edits more exciting to watch. It will automatically add zooms on a speaker's face at carefully selected moments to emphasize anything important that's being said, which just adds more energy to your edits. It develops an understanding of what the video you're editing is about and, scarily accurately, can create and insert chapter title screens, just like you've been seeing throughout this whole video. It will insert those chapter title screens into your edit at exactly the right moments, making your edit more structured for the viewer and just easier to follow for anyone watching. And what I think is the most impactful thing is it can automatically insert extra video clips on top of your edit to make it more interesting to watch. Here's a little tutorial of how that works. So I've got Firecut open here on the left-hand side inside Adobe Premiere. It's an extension to Adobe Premiere. If I scroll through the timeline, I've got a 30-minute podcast episode that I want to add additional video clips onto to just make it more interesting. So we're going to come into Firecut to do that. You'll see some of the features I've already mentioned here, like adding zooms, adding chapters, adding captions. But to add video footage on top of our original videos to make it more interesting, we need this button here, Find B-roll. So we just press that and now we just wait. And the AI app will go through our whole original video, analyze it to understand what is being talked about in that video, and then automatically add video clips on top of that original video at hand-picked moments to enhance what is happening at any of those specific moments. I use Firecut anytime I'm adding the finishing touches to my edits to just take them to the next level and make my edits stand out from the competition. I'm using it on this video right now and it saves me so much time. It's such a great app. You can check out Firecut with the link in the description of this video. But what if you wanted to take a really long recording and just find the best moments, the highlights, and make short clips from those moments? Well, the app for that is Opus Clip. The Opus Clip AI will analyze any long-form video, find the most interesting moments, and create short, fully edited video clips of those moments. It's completely automatic like the first tool, and it makes sure to do things like always focus on whoever is currently speaking, add captions into the video, and you can even choose whether you want your clips to be created like a normal video or in vertical format to go on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Reels, and Instagram. There's huge value in this because podcasters and live streamers are desperate to get these clips of their longer videos, So if you can make them quickly, there's a ton of work that you can win as an editor using this tool. And I actually found a way you can make thousands of clips using Opus Clip in just 10 minutes. I've made a full run through of how to do that here. So make sure to check out that video next for that complete process using Opus Clip. And good luck with your editing in 2025. These apps should really help you out. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and remember to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you around.